Let's make one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you learn to use pad, pocket, thickness, datum plane, mirror. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. I follow this step and this sequence just to avoid some errors in fillet and in thickness. Okay, so let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we will create this arc and this one. This arc has 37.5 millimeters of radius, and the distance between these two arcs is 125. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the arc from center, click here in this point, make an arc here, and create another arc here with 37.5 millimeters of radius. And go to constraint, select the equal, select this arc and this one, and go to dimension, the distance between this arc here and the midpoint is 125. And now we will create this arc here with 150 millimeters of radius. This arc is tangent in the both sides. So select the arc from 3 points, select this point and this point here, make an arc here, and create another arc here. Go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this one, this arc and this one, make the same here. And go to constraint, select the equal, select this arc and this one. The dimension here, the radius is 150 millimeters. Leave the sketch. We will extrude this 50 millimeters. So go to pad, the length here 50 millimeters and press OK. And now we will make this arc, and we will create 3 lines here to make a cut. We will cut this area. This arc has 255 millimeters of radius, and the distance between this point here and this edge is 25 millimeters. So this point here is in the center of this edge. Okay, so go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and go to external projection, select this face, and this face, active the toggle section view, and select the 3-point arc, find the center of this line and the center of this line, make an arc here, go to dimensions, the radius here 225. If you didn't find the center here, you can go to symmetric constraints, select the point of this arc and select this line. Okay, now select the polyline, click here in this point, let me click here in this point, make this sketch here, make sure that this line is a vertical line, and we'll put a dimension here. The distance here can be 90 millimeters. Leave the sketch and go to pocket. The mode here symmetric, the type through all, and press OK. Now I will add the fillet in this body here, in this edge. The fillet here 5 millimeters. I will make this fillet now because to avoid some problems. Okay, so go to fillet, select this edge, the radius here 5 millimeters, and press OK. And now the thickness of this body is 3 millimeters. So go to thickness, select the face that we will remove, select this face here, and the thickness here is 3 millimeters. The sequence of the step is just to avoid an error, okay? Because if you don't make this step in this sequence, we will get a lot of errors in the fillet or in the thickness. And now we will create a plane here. And this plane, the distance between this plane here and the midpoint is 45 millimeters. And in this plane, we will create a circle with 40 millimeters of diameter. So go to datum plane, and here show the origin, select the front plane, and go back to task, and the Z direction, 35 millimeters, sorry. And press OK. Select this face here and go to create a sketch. Select this new plane. Select the circle. Make a circle here with 40 millimeters. And go to distance. Here is 35, sorry. The center of the circle and the midpoint, 25 millimeters. And it is in the center of this part. So it will be 125 over 2. And now leave the sketch, go to pad, and the type here, select up to shape, and press OK. And now to create the same in the other side, go to mirror, and select transform two shapes, and click and add features, select this face, and the plane here, XZ plane, and press OK. Now select this face and go to create a sketch. We will make this cut with 34 millimeters of diameter. So go to external projection, select this face, select the circle, click here on this point, make a circle here with 34 millimeters of diameter, and leave the sketch, go to pocket, the type here through all, and press OK. And now go to fillet, select this edge here, and select this edge here. The radius here is 5 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this plane here, and the distance between this plane and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. So show the origin, select the top plane here, and go to datum plane, and in Z direction 50 millimeters, and press OK. Select this new plane and go to create a sketch. In this new plane, we will make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, and create another circle here. The distance between the two circles, 125 millimeters, the same diameter. So go to circle, click here in the midpoint, 40 millimeters of diameter. Make sure that the circle is in the center point. Go to coincident, select the center of the circle and select the midpoint here. And make another circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter. The distance here, 125 millimeters, press OK. And leave the sketch, go to pad, and the type here, select up to shape, and press OK. Hide this datum plane, we made this one, hide in the origin. And now we'll make this cut, make a circle with 34 millimeters of diameter. So select this face and go to create a sketch. Go to external projection, select this face and this face, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 34 millimeters of diameter, and create another one here. And leave the sketch, go to Pocket, the type here, select it through all, and press OK. And now go to Fillet, select this edge here and this edge. The radius here is 5 millimeters, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.